Good afternoon and welcome to the MERI Space Club Daily Space Bulletin. As we continue to witness humanity's expanding footprints beyond Earth, MERI Space Club invites you to stay informed, stay curious, and stay inspired. NASA's Artemis III crew announcement, China's Tianwen-2 asteroid mission reaches target, NASA expands moon-based plans, Europe's new orbital rocket attempt, first commercial satellite rescue mission, Rocket Lab's major US Space Force contract, growing competition in commercial space flight. Today is Wednesday, 3rd June 2026. In Hindu tradition, Wednesday is Budhvar, that is dedicated to Lord Buddha, the deity linked with the planet Mercury. Buddha presents intelligence, wisdom, communication, learning, and logical thinking. Worshipping Buddha on this day is believed to help improve knowledge, speech, decision-making abilities, and success in studies or business. Before we begin, here's today's space thought. Neil Armstrong's quote, "Mystery creates wonder, and wonder is the basis of man's desire to understand." This reflects his belief that curiosity is the driving force behind discovery and exploration. What he meant is that when humans encounter something unknown, a mystery, it sparks a sense of wonder and fascination. That wonder motivates us to ask questions, seek answers, and expand our knowledge. Whether it's exploring space, studying nature, or advancing science, our desire to understand begins with being amazed by what we don't yet know. In simple terms, we explore and we are curious because the universe is filled with wonders. Let's talk about the top space development of June. NASA's Artemis III crew announcement. NASA is set to reveal the astronauts for the Artemis III mission on 9th of June. The mission is a major step towards returning humans to the moon and advancing long-term lunar exploration plans. China's Tianwen-2 asteroid mission reaches target. China's National Space Administration's Tianwen-2 spacecraft is expected to arrive at asteroids Kamoelewa this month. The mission aims to collect asteroid samples and eventually return them to Earth, making one of China's most ambitious deep space projects. NASA expands moon-based plans. NASA awarded major contracts to Blue Origin and other private space companies for lunar rovers, drones, and cargo delivery systems. These developments support the creation of a permanent human presence near the moon's south pole. Up next, we have Europe's new orbital rocket attempts. European companies such as ISAR Aerospace are preparing new launches that could become the first successful orbital rocket flight launched from European soil, a major milestone for Europe's independent access to space. First commercial satellite rescue mission. A historic mission is planned to save NASA's aging Neil Gehrels Swift Observatory by boosting it into a higher orbit. It would be the first time a commercial spacecraft captures and services a government satellite that was never designed for docking. Rocket Lab's major US Space Force contract. Rocket Lab secured a $90 million contract to build advanced geostationary satellites for space surveillance and national security missions, highlighting the growing role of private companies in defense space operations. Last but not the least, growing competition in commercial space flight. China's emerging private launch companies and reusable rocket projects are increasing its competition with companies like SpaceX, pushing the global space industry into a new phase of rapid innovation and expansion. At the end, I would like to state that with every mission launched and every mystery uncovered, humanity takes another step toward understanding its place, that is in the cosmos. And with that, we conclude today's Space Bulletin. This is Janya Batra signing off for the day.